I've come out to an epic location to make an epically awesome announcement. But first I got a question for you all. How many of you have been to Yellowstone National Park? A fair number. But how many of you have been there in the winter time? I've been there a couple of times now with McKay Photography Academy, and it is one of my absolutely favorite destinations in the whole world. And we want you to come along. We're going to give away a trip to Yellowstone in the winter. You see, it is very, very different. Even if you've experienced it during the summer, it's awesome. But during the winter, it's a whole different story. With unbroken snow as far as you can see, the wildlife, the bison walking through the snow, there's bird life still, maybe we'll see foxes, there's a chance for wolves, elk. I mean, it is just a fantastically gorgeous place, and you are one of the very few people in there during the winter experiencing it. I love giving these opportunities away. I mean, we've done epic trips like this in the past, but you know, this one's different. I mean, in the past, we've given away a trip to Tanzania, and that was life-changing for that winter. Then we gave away a trip to the Grand Tetons National Park, and that was pretty special as well. And now this trip, when we announced it, it sold out in minutes. We saved one spot to give away, but there is more. It's not all that we're giving away. So you get a trip, plus airfare inside the United States, transportation and accommodation while you're on the trip. That's all taken care of. This contest is open worldwide, but you would need to get yourself to the US, and then we'll get you to Yellowstone in the wintertime. But wait, there's more. We're going to give away a Sony A7 III. This is a camera retailing at $2,000. That is fantastic. So not only do you win an experience, I mean, lots of people are giving away gear, and that's awesome. I love that us YouTubers can give back to the community. It really makes me happy to be able to do this. But we're giving away an experience as well, and that is just so exciting and so fantastic to be part of that, because these experiences last with you for your life. The camera, B&H has graciously included a $500 gift card. Bay Photo is doing a beautiful 25 by 30 metal print for you. Maybe you're going to go on this trip and make a fantastic image, and now you can get it printed as well. Mindshift Gear is going to throw in the 18L backlight. I love that bag. It's perfect for carrying around your new Sony A7. And we've got Spiderlight and Platypod graciously including their suite products as well, and even more. The whole list of everything you get in the kind of estimated retail price of all of this is in a link right down below this video. It's really easy to enter. There are no catches. You've watched this channel for a while. I hope you know that. And I'm really excited to be part of this along with McKay Photography Academy and the Photo Enthusiast Network. The link you need is right down below this video. And of course, if you've got questions, you can leave those right there as well. I hope you win.